What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the mini to fill the clear cut case. It's going to be top 2 wins. We'll go down here and get a timestamp for live. Sorry about that. Live at 4. It's 4 p.m. here in Denver. We're going to get a fresh list. We got Frankie on top and Kyle on the bottom. Frankie on top, Kyle on the bottom. Guys, we're going to go 3 times. And top 2 each win. Top spot will get Buffalo, and second spot will get Dallas. Good luck, guys. 1, 2. Erica on top after 2. Do a timestamp. That was in at 4. Just turned 4:01. And third and final time, guys. Good luck. Frankie with the clean sweep. Wow. Congrats, man. Everybody else now hates me and you. That's how it goes sometimes. 4:01. 4:01. 3 times. Frankie on top both times. Congrats, man.